Hi, it's Keir Finlow-Bates, and today I want to talk a bit about blockchain and IoT, and in particular about a sentence that I read in an article which has stuck in my mind. The sentence was that it was unexpected that blockchain and IoT might make a good match. And the reason why it stuck in my mind is because my take on it was actually that it's immediately obvious that IoT and blockchain should be a good match together. And the reason for that is that IoT is basically going to result in there being a sea of devices out there, hundreds of thousands or possibly even millions or billions, and not all of them are going to be trustworthy. Some of them may be compromised and hacked, and some of them may just go faulty. So you need a way of coordinating all these devices and being able to trust them. And that, of course, immediately makes blockchain obvious. Blockchain is all about a large number of different parties who do not fully cooperate, who have no fundamental incentive to cooperate, and yet somehow get them all rowing in the same direction, to have an orchestrated way of managing the interactions between them. So when you look at it like that, IoT is basically the equivalent of a human population, and blockchain is, as usual, blockchain. Then you can go and look at past blockchain cases, particularly Bitcoin, for example, and say, right, well, that did manage to coordinate human activity, and it's produced a trustworthy method for recording financial transactions without needing a central authority to manage the whole thing. And this is the same thing that IoT can attain through the use of blockchain. You may be able to use it to coordinate devices produced by lots of different manufacturers who may actually be competing, but would like to be able to offer a better service and solution to their end customers without the customers having to pick one particular provider. So that's why it seemed obvious to me when I first came across blockchain and IoT that the two really should go well together. Maybe you disagree. If you do, please leave some comments down below and I'll try and answer them. I hope you found this video on why blockchain and IoT are a good match interesting, and hope to see you again in the next video soon. Bye for now.